starting to get how you work, the way you misdirect.
Yeah, you think?
Yeah, you want to drag Michael into this freak show of a trial. But you should stop thinking that way, because it's not going to happen. You will not get the chance to use my son against me.
I assure you, Mr. Corinthos, that your son will most definitely play a pivotal role in this conviction.
I don't understand. You're taking me to court?
Mrs. Grayer from Family Service, she'll be coming with us.
Why?
Well, the lawyers handling your dad's case, they have a few quick questions to ask you. All the legal paperwork's in order, right, Mrs. Danforth?
It appears to be, yes.
Okay, I'm sorry, Morgan. There just really isn't a choice about this.
Fine. But I won't say one single thing to hurt my dad.
Okay, sons would never give up on me. You already had your shot with Dante. What happened? He didn't testify the way you wanted him to. He told the truth, nothing but the truth, right?
Oh, my God.
Yeah.
Yeah. My brain is reeling with one-liners about who had a shot at Dante, but I'll refrain.
That's funny to you? That's funny? Huh?
A woman is dead.
Mm-hmm.
And the thug who killed her thinks he can get away with it because he gets away with murder on a daily basis. And a good cop lies on the stand and dishonors his badge. There is nothing funny about this, Mr. Corinthos.
You don't know anything, especially about my son. Dante wants me convicted of Claudia's murder. He doesn't want to fabricate testimony. He wants it to go down by the book. He would never choose loyalty to me over loyalty to the badge.
Dante knows Michael saw Claudia die. He knows where Michael is right now.
Believe what you want. Be as wrong as you want. Because you know what? It'll work to my advantage in the long run.
Well, I'll tell you what I'm exactly right about, right at this moment. You hide behind your family. You have them fight your battles for you when you get really close to paying for the life you live. And it's astonishing, really. Your children, your ex-wives, your old girlfriends, singing you praises, Sonny Corinthos, the good mobster. That is such a load of crap, because you know what you are? You're a coward and a bully. And putting you away is more than performing a public service. It's a life-affirming favor for everyone unfortunately involved in your world, especially your sons. So if you will please excuse me, I have an important witness I have to prepare for.
So how long is this going to take?
Not long. You nervous?
A little.
Don't be. There's nothing to it, really. Just answer the questions truthfully. Well, what are you looking at? What do I got, spinach in my teeth or something?
Dante said I shouldn't trust you.
He's just being a good big brother. All right, he's looking out for you. That's the way it works. And as for the rest, you know, Dante and I, we fight all the time. We go way back.
Why isn't he here?
I shouldn't be telling you this, Morgan. Dante's in a little bit of trouble.
What kind of trouble?
The lawyers who are handling your dad's case, they're trying to make it seem like Dante lied on the stand. Yeah, that's a really big deal. Have you heard of perjury?
It's where you lie under oath, right?
Exactly. Okay, it's a crime. Dante could lose his badge. And you know how much that means to him, right? Well, it's time for you to step up to the plate, kid. All right? Set things straight for your brother.
For the record, I'm asking the witness to identify prosecution exhibits 12A and 25.
All right, so noted.
What does the photograph depict?
The tire tracks found near the cabin where Claudia Corinthos was killed.
Would those tire tracks be consistent with the make and model of the car in this photograph?
Yes.
May I, Your Honor? Let the record show that forensics has made a match between the tire tracks near the cabin and the silver coupe, which was registered to the defendant's son, Michael Corinthos III.
That's fine.
No further questions, Your Honor?
They have a match with Michael's car. That's horrible.
This is why you pay me. Is it possible that some other silver coupe of the same make and model, not registered to Michael Corinthos, could have left those tire tracks?
It's possible, sure. Likely?
A simple yes or no will do. Is it possible?
Yes.
Thank you. Then, given the hundreds, if not thousands, of cars on the streets of this city alone bearing that same make and model number, well, you can't be 100% certain that it was Michael Corinthos' car that was involved. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Sweetie, don't call me ma'am. Nothing further for this witness, Your Honor.
And you may step down. Call your next witness.
The prosecution calls Morgan Corinthos.
Objection, Your Honor. Morgan Corinthos is a minor. He has not been properly deposed, and he's not even on the witness list.
It's a fast-moving case, Counselor. You got to try to keep up.
You are giving me grounds for a
All right,
mistrial.
everybody calm down.
Stop this, seriously, or I will, right now.
Shh. Your Honor, permission to approach the bench alone.
Miss Walsh, any objection?
No, Your Honor, I'm not concerned.
You put my kid on the stand, and you have my word. You will regret it. I mean it. You put Morgan on the stand, you're going to be very, very sorry.
Did you just threaten me in open court, Mr. Corinthos?
Defendant will return to his seat and keep his ass planted there. He'll be restrained for the duration of this trial. Do I make myself clear?
Absolutely, Your Honor.
Yes, I thought she asked
Counselor,
me.
take your seat.
But my...
Denied. Bring in the witness.
Well, I want to thank you for derailing whatever progress I was making with Judge Carroll on your idiotic behalf.
All right, people. The next witness is a 12-year-old boy. And anyone here who upsets him, including his father, will be looking at jail time for contempt.
You need to stop this. Morgan knows the truth.
Yes, but Claire Walsh doesn't know the truth. And if she doesn't know what she's fishing for, it's unlikely she's going to hook anything. So just sit there, be quiet, and let me try and save your life.
Well, maybe... See, it's not your father you need to protect. There you go, kid. He's fine, all right? His lawyer's something else. It's Dante you got to take care of.
How?
You just agree with everything they tell you that Dante said. And don't forget, okay, he's the same guy who jumped in front of a runaway car to save you when he didn't even know you guys were brothers.
Now it's my chance to save him.
Exactly.
We're ready.
You're up, kid. Hey, knock it out of the park like Jeter would. Go make your brother proud.